Hey, this is Pamela Krim, the proud head mama of the Smokin' Hot Mama Club. I have 2 words and a very simple message to share with you today to help you make 2011 your year of possibilities. The first word, Chinese. Second word, bamboo. That's right, Chinese bamboo. Who knew? Well, let me explain to you why Chinese bamboo may just be what keeps you on track this year. We live in a fast-paced society. We want what we want right now. We want it immediately. If we're at a red light and the light turns green, we're on our horn in a split second if the car in front of us doesn't move. We go to the drive-thru, we expect immediate cheeseburger and french fries. We just expect things immediately. And don't you think that we're also expecting things an immediate result to our hard work so far this year? But guess what? It doesn't always happen that way. We don't always see immediate results for our efforts. So that's why Chinese bamboo are 2 words that you need to remember. See, I did a little bit of study on Chinese bamboo, and it's really quite amazing. If a farmer were to plant the seed of Chinese bamboo, it basically will sit into the ground, and for the first year, he can water it and care for it and take awesome care of this seed, and he'll see nothing. And he can do it again for the second year, continue to care for this seed, and once again, nothing. And the 3rd year, and the 4th year. Can you imagine how it must be so disheartening after all these 4 years of work? You see nothing after all your labor. But what's amazing about this Chinese bamboo is often on the 5th year, that little seed will sprout up and it can grow as much as 90 feet in 6 weeks. After 5 years of lying dormant in the ground, it can grow to the equivalent of a 9-story building in 6 weeks. And I wonder, where are we at in all of this? Maybe you've been working hard to be slimmer and healthier and fitter, and you're not seeing it. The scale's not moving. The jeans are still just as tight as they were on January 1st, and you've been working hard, and you're just about ready to quit. But maybe you're this close to success, and all it takes is a little bit more patience, a little bit more effort, and you will see your success. I wonder how many times we're standing on the line between failure and success, and we don't even know we're standing on that line, and we give up just before our breakthrough, just before that little seed takes sprout and grows 90 feet in 6 weeks. So whatever your goals were going into 2011, whether it be to repair a relationship, to follow your dreams and your career, to get healthier and fitter, to run a marathon, whatever it might be, if you're like me, those things don't happen overnight. I don't see immediate results. I'm much like Chinese bamboo. I have to keep watering it and keep giving my best effort with a little bit of patience, and I know eventually it will pay off. So join me in being Chinese bamboo. We got to keep watering it, keep tending it, keep taking care of it, but whatever you do today, you do not quit.